Welcome, Aquaba. How to make Gari and cassava starch. First, get your cassava tube, peel the skin off, and wash it. Slice the cassava or cut it into small pieces to help the blender to blend it. Add water to the cassava before blending it. Please make sure you blend it very well. Because we are going to make Gari, for quality Gari, you need to let the cassava dough ferment for about 3 days or 7 days maximum. So we are going to pour it into the bowl with the chiffon or lace. So umami wo duku mu bi anaasa wo nana wo duku mu no so a obetimi ayisu ni nyina yepe. So cover it and then put a heavy object like stone or stick or anything available. I couldn't get stick or stone, so I used my yam. This is Fufuo Police. I salute you. So after 3 days, remove your stick or your yam. This is how it looks after the 3 days. So now we are going to get the starch. Your cassava starch is ready. This starch can be used for making fufu or banku or ironing clothes or for making paper wax. Or it can serve as a glue. Cassava starch is used for many things. If you want it in a powder form, you need to dehydrate it by heating it. So let's get back to the Gari. There's still water in the cassava dough, so we need to try as much as possible to get the water out. So squeeze the water out. Use any method available or any style that you can. This is Fufuo style. So after that, use your hand to spread it. If you intend to start your own Gari business on a large scale or small scale, this is how to make it. It is very simple. It is frying time. Please make sure you fry it on a medium heat. If you fry it on a very high temperature, the Gari is going to burn. And continue to stir it till it becomes crispy. Now your Gari is ready. After that, sieve it and remove the large particles. Thanks for watching Fufuo Gari and Cassava starch. Wherever you're watching me from, Thank you and may God bless you. You can contact me on emmanuelsafubafo4@gmail.com for any business information.